Hello everyone, this is Colossius, and I have here a little program I made called CaptureGo. And it does exactly that. It lets you play CaptureGo in a 3D environment. So for example, I simply play, and as you can see here, I capture the white stone, and it shows me that the stone is captured by shrinking it, and it tells you the winner up here, which is black. And you just click start, and you can play again. So unfortunately, this is all it does is play Capture Go on your local computer, and that is because I'm still studying how to do networking and all that stuff to make it multiplayer on online, etc., etc. But I thought it was a nice little application to use if you're, saying, teaching someone or playing someone or letting kids play each other or something like that. So that's actually how I had the idea, is in schools I would teach kids how to play Capture Go, and they would play each other, and then I would come over to look to see how they're doing because I have like a dozen kids and I can't watch them all at the same time. And there would be 3 or 4 captures on the board of different groups or different colors, etc., etc., and I would have no idea who won. So what this program lets me do is, if I have a computer, then I can simply let them play on this, and I can have them play each other, and the computer will tell them who won, and it'll show them the capture. Instead of it disappearing, it actually shrinks it, so that way they can actually check it, and they can see, oh, there's black stones blocking it. So that's actually why I made this program. Now, this program may or may not develop further in the future. It depends on how much time I have and how much studying I get done, if I can improve it or not. But I will say from here, I will need help to get it on the App Store or any App Store like the Android and iPhone, because I actually don't know how to do that. So I did make it. It's for Windows and it's for Mac, and I can also make a Linux build on request. But the Windows and Mac builds are available on the link in the description below. It's going to be online, so you guys can download it and have it on your local computer. So if you have a laptop or a desktop, you can play this, or you can let kids play against each other on it very easily. But I'm hoping to get this for cell phones and iPads or tablets, and letting kids play on those, so that way you can take those and teach kids on that as well. That's actually where I'm hoping to go with this project. So for that, I will need someone who can take a Unity file, because this was built in Unity 3D, can take a Unity file of the scene and C# scripts, and basically turn that into an app. So basically, somehow exporting this code and this framework into the app. So if you're able to do that, send me a message, let me know, because I would really appreciate anyone being able to get this in the App Store. Now, the way I have it set up is there is potential for this to become a multiplayer game, and there is potential for this to become a full-fledged Go server. However, I'm still studying. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that, but the best way to support this project growing is to like it and share it and let other people know about it. So if you can just like it and share it with your Facebook or your Twitter or your friends or your Go organization or whatever, the more support I have for this project, the more likely this project will grow. Uh, and remember, I'm still studying stuff, so I'm not going to be able to do everything myself. And this was done by one person, so just me. So while it does work as a Capture Go application, it's not on cell phones and tablets yet, even though I would like it to be, just for the fact that I don't know how to yet. And it's also not multiplayer yet, simply for the fact that I'm still studying networking with Unity. So that's that. But anyway, I hope you guys do like this little application. It's very simple, very straightforward, and very easy to use, I hope. And if there's any bugs, there shouldn't be that many bugs, considering it barely does anything. It just plays Capture Go, and that's it. You can play Capture Go, you click start, you play Capture Go again, you click start. That's pretty much all it does. It doesn't keep records or anything, doesn't work with save files or anything like that. I just wanted a simple application for kids to be able to play each other. Now, if someone does test this, there is an issue I was worried about, and that is touchscreen. Will the coordinates work with the touchscreen accurately? So if you touch somewhere, will it work accurately? And for that, if someone does work with me to develop this on an app store for a tablet or a cell phone, we can then further discuss changing camera angles depending on the touch input. So for example, if you touch it once, it zooms in. If you touch it twice, then it places the stone. That shouldn't be too difficult to implement, but the most important thing I need is someone to be able to publish it for me, because I don't know how to do that. But yeah, anyway, if you guys like this, hopefully you do, then go ahead and just show the support by liking and sharing this video or the page or both to let people know that this program exists. And once I get enough support for this program, hopefully one of the people that see it will be able to help me continue it. All right, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little video and hope you enjoy this application. Hopefully you can find some uses for it. And if you have any feedback for what you would like to see implemented, if as long as it's simple enough, I'll probably do it. If it's complicated, then it might be a while or it might not get done. I'm not sure. It just depends on how much I know and how much I can do. But it's not lack of willingness to develop this, it's lack of knowledge. So if anyone wants to jump on board with this, I'm more than happy to share the code and share the stuff. And if anyone wanted to look at how I did liberties, liberties I could explain better than I could show you the script because I probably didn't write it perfectly. But I actually came up with a solution with one of my professors on how to count liberties, and it was an interesting solution. I don't know how anyone else does it. I don't know the best way to do it. I just know the way I did it, and it's a solution that's easy enough to implement if you can get the theory down. So if you ever have questions about that, go ahead and send me a message, and I'd be happy to talk to someone about how to count liberties. Um, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully you like this, and thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.